Alright, so today we're going to be working on our bodyweight glute bridge. Now this is an awesome exercise to work the muscles around the hips, and let's dive into it. So we're going to start out on the mat, laying flat. Feet are going to be up and planted fully onto the floor. So we're going to drive our hips towards the feet and lean back here. With our legs, we're going to keep about a 30 to 45 degree angle right here. Not too wide, okay? So when you're ready, we're going to take the hips and drive them forward, squeezing in the glutes here. You're going to feel a little pull in the hamstrings, pressure in the quads, but mainly we're engaging the glutes to keep our hips up and forward. Now in order to keep our body straight here, we're also going to want to engage in our core to prevent the hips from pushing out too far. So in this position, we'll just stay here and hold. Most of the weight should be rested on your upper back underneath your traps. Now, we don't want your weight to be resting on your spine here. So hold and relax. We could be doing this exercise with multiple reps. However, one of the ways that I usually use this is doing it for as long as you can. So a long hold for as long as you can go for. And that is our glute bridge.